and I heard that the bigger the package is, the more fire the brands get. Hey, what's up everyone? Brandon here, also known as Dope and Steez, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing package from Threadbeast. You guys seem to like my previous video on my unboxing with them, so tap up here if you guys want to check it out. Threadbeast sent me another one of their packages. This is their premium package. This is bigger than the other one that I opened, and this is way heavier. Let's check out the vibes and open this. So our first item is this t-shirt from Chinatown Market, and I definitely know Chinatown Market. This is a well-known brand. I really like the material and the quality in this shirt because it's definitely a thicker material, which means you're getting more for what you're paying. And I really like how big the graphic is, and I like how the detailing of just the shirt, it has more of a higher quality for the label prints and for the graphics, because it's not just some press-on graphic tee, which I like. So you can tell that this is a nice quality, expensive t-shirt. So I definitely like this, and I like how it says Chinatown Market in the front, and it has the Statue of Liberty. Next we have this black hat, and this is from a brand called SSUR. Definitely know SSUR too, so this is 2 out of 2. This is 2 good brands that I know. So the front, it says the city, and then it has like the logo of SSUR, or it has like the logo on the side embroidered in red, which is really cool. And I like how plain and simple just the hat is, because when you wear hats, you don't want to have too much going on. And it says like the city, and it's pretty cool. You could just represent any city you're from, because I'm from the Bay, so we say the city as well, and SSUR is from New York City. Next we have a sweater. So this is a black hoodie, and this is from Huff. So definitely know Huff too, because Huff is from San Francisco. Huff's store is so close to my house back when I used to live in my old apartment. A bunch of my friends know Keith, and sadly he passed away. So this is nice getting a sweater just to represent the city and where you're from, and just to remember Huff for who he is. And I like the quality of it because it's really nice and soft, but it's not like the thick like hoodie, so I can like definitely layer this a lot. So in the front it has like a triangle logo, and it says Huff with 3 different like colors. It's pink, royal blue, and it has like a coral to it. And then also the back, it's like huge. So this is really cool how it's just plain simple black clean, but then in the back it stands out because it's like a statement sweater too. And this is in a size medium, so this is 3 out of 3. So far so good. Okay. Next we have, I don't know this brand actually, so this is a brand called ELWOOD, and this is a size 28, so it's a color dirty indigo. And I don't know where ELWOOD is from. So if you guys know where ELWOOD is from, let me know. I think they're from LA. Looks like an LA brand. This one is more of the skinny jeans. I'm not into the skinny jeans, so I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this, but this is pretty nice how you get like a pair of pants to come with your whole outfit. This one has like the ripped distressed. I don't think I would be able to fit this because I'm getting bigger. So yeah, this, whoa, what is this? Okay, so this is a jacket from FAIRPLAY. Yeah, this looks like a firefighter jacket, but this is more of like the tree camel, which is really cool because this is what they are known for. And I have like another kimono jacket that is from FAIRPLAY as well, with the same like camel print in the front. Definitely camel prints and tree prints are the new trends for 2021. So this is definitely a good statement jacket to wear. And it has the Velcros, whoa, the orange and the 3M print. It's kind of big though. What size is this? So this is a size medium. But this is a big size for a size medium though. There's nothing in the back, but this one is good for layering, and this is a good overcoat that you can wear like over a couple of shirts or a couple of jackets that you can wear just to add in more layers and more texture. So 4 out of 5. This is a good package that I got because all of these pieces I'm definitely going to be wearing them, except for the jeans, because the jeans are too skinny on the bottom of my ankles and I don't like that. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite piece. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media channels, on my Instagram, my TikTok, my Pinterest at @DopeandSteez. And since you're watching this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot and I will know my Steezy community, you know. And this week's shout out goes to... Thanks for always watching my videos and for always supporting me. If you want a shout out in my next video, please comment down below. Alright? Don't forget to stay steezy, everyone. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Peace.